Technology is constantly changing and evolving every day. Companies are switching their production activities with the technological trends that is hitting now the market.
Autonomous vehicles, robotics, big data analytics, and AI are some examples of emerging technologies that are growing and changing the way we do business nowadays. We can see these changes affecting the supply chain of companies.
Supply chain management refers to managing the sequence of suppliers and purchasers and also covers all stages of processing, from obtaining the raw materials to distributing the finished goods to the consumer.
Managers are constantly looking to accomplish the goals that companies have. Their decisions impact how the company operates. Here are two examples of how AI changes the supply chain.
So in a conventional way, you would get your groceries first going to a distribution center, then shipped to a grocery retailer such as Walmart or Star Market, and afterwards you would get them home. But in Ocado,
a British company that use AI in their supply chain, they will get the groceries and put them in their center and directly transfer them to the house, your houses. That's what AI efficiency is about. It lower the cost and it make the work efficient.
Now let's see how Amazon implemented AI on their supply chain.
Amazon decided to implement AI into their warehouses to perform tasks such as packaging, distributing, and labeling packages in order to increase efficiency. But this came with a cost, making Amazon lay off many of their workers,
causing labor unions to go after them.
hi, so you wanted to see me?
Yes. Hi, Alejandro.
Hi.
Please have a seat.
Sure.
So basically, your team's in charge of conducting research to see whether it's good or not to implement AI in our supply chain.
Perfect, we can do that.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect.
Thanks, Alejandro. Have a good
No
day.
problem. You too.
Looking forward to see your project.
Perfect. Okay guys, come on in. Okay guys, so the CEO assigned me as the project manager for a new approach to our supply chain. It's gonna be AI. So artificial intelligence, it's a big change for the company, and we have to see how it will affect our sales, our productivity, any other implications that it might take us. And also remember that in puzzles, we always try to improve. So let's get this started.
Okay, perfect. I have some interesting points of view on that.
Yeah, me too.
An automated supply chain would allow us to improve our visibility and accountability, and would bring efficiency to our total process, and would allow us to collect data and information that could increase our productivity and decrease our risk of stopping the supply chain at any moment.
Yes, but let's keep in mind how new AI technology is so costly to build. I mean, can our company really afford this expense right now? Plus, machines need maintenance and any other unplanned expenses can come up as well.
I agree, but AI can be seen as a big investment for the company. Imagine how profitable and efficient we could be. I know it's a huge investment, but I think this technology is worth it.
I think it will, but it's a risk we might not be able to take right now. Remember, it's a new technology and it can come with negative consequences for our company.
Just pick Ocado's example. They changed from the conventional way, from bringing the product to a warehouse and after delivering them to the retail store and then going to the customer, they changed it to put an IA system from the production to make it directly to the customer. And it's good. They increased their profits and decreased their costs.
Great, but how can we implement that into our company? I mean, new technologies will not guarantee success. We have to evaluate this technology before using it.
Also, think about the people. This implementation would cause thousands of layoffs. What image would our company portray?
It's true, we might get some layoffs, but still, I mean, new technologies bring new opportunities. Imagine the jobs that people could do in the future. I think the jobs are going to be more skilled, yes, but we can teach the people how to do them. And I think these new jobs would be something different that the competition is not doing.
Instead of using that money for AI, you could use it to create learning programs for our employees in order to develop them and make them even more prepared. Just take an example, Amazon. They implemented AI into their supply chain. They had thousands of layoffs, and now they're fighting against their ex-employees in order for them to not create a labor union and go after them. Do we really want that?
Okay, so this was really insightful and great to start our project. I think I will share these findings to the CEO and see what he thinks.